start. Today we learn how can we use macro in MS Excel. Just see there is a view menu and here we have an option that is macro, right? So firstly, just click on this macro, just click on view and here we have option that is macro. Just click on here and here's the option is record macro. When you click on record macro, it will give some options. Just firstly, just macro name, just type your macro name. For example, here we just use student data. Just type here any name, student data without any space. Here we space is not allowed here. That's why we don't use space between the words. And after that, if you want to just make the shortcut key, just click on this. And here we just press only the key that is control with the combination key. We can choose any key. Just keep in mind, if any shortcut is previously assigned, then we cannot use or we shouldn't use the previous shortcut key. Okay, so we just take a fresh key and you can use here, just here we use only K. So when we use control plus K, you can also use the shift button. It will automatically, when you press shift button only, it will automatically use the or get the shift as well. So the shortcut key is control shift plus key for that macro. Understood? You can choose any letter. You can use any letter for the combination of macro shortcut keys. Okay, and after that, just click on OK, and it will provide the facility to record the particular content. Just see here, we here type some content, and it is also recorded in the particular macro. Just type here roll number, name, class, Hindi, English, maths, science, and SST and total. Similarly, just type the roll number like this: is 1, is 2, is 3, is 4. Here we just use only 6 or 7 letters and just type the name: Amita, Monica, and Ronnie. And just type the class. Okay, and we know very well how we use the auto sum option. Just select the data like this and press Alt is equal to get the sum. Alt plus equal to symbol to get the sum, not in this cell, in this particular cell. Just press is equal to, and just type here sum sum function and select this cell and close the bracket and just press enter. You will get the sum and just drag it, or you can just double click on this particular symbol. It will automatically take the function in this particular section. Understood? And after that, clicking outside this data, just click on macro and click here stop recording. When you click on stop recording, it will automatically stop the recording. And whenever we need this data in our Excel sheet, just click on the fresh sheet by using shift plus F11. You will get the new sheet. And here we use the shortcut key. Okay, what is the shortcut key? Control shift plus K. When you press control shift plus K, it will provide the whole data as we typed in the previous recording. Understood? So we don't need to type this data again and again. We should just use the macro, and we use the same step by using the macro by using shortcut key. Or if you forget the shortcut key, just press Alt F8. Just press Alt F8. If you forget the key, just here we just take a new sheet and press Alt F8. You will get all the macro in a list form, and you can select according to your requirement, according to your need. Just select it and click on run. You will get the data by using mouse or by using macro window. Okay, you can select anyone. Understood? Just see here.
Yes, sir.
If you want to just record some format, just select here, just click on this. Again, just click on view menu and just record another shortcut key or another macro. Just click on record macro and just type the name. Here we use what? That is format cell, and use here the shortcut key control shift. Just hold only shift, it will automatically come. You don't need to press control and press F. Control shift plus F is the shortcut key for this macro, as you named here, format cell, and just click on OK. And after that, just format the cell like this. After selecting this, just increase the size by using here like this, and we can also set the format like this. You can increase the font size like this. Okay, And similarly, we can do the same process with that. Clear? And after that, just stop the recording.
Yes, sir.
Just click on here, view, and again click on stop recording. And if we want to just change the format of the cell, so just press your or select your data and press what? Control Shift plus F. You will get the format as you recorded in the macro. Understood? So it is very important
Yes, sir.
option by which we can do the difficult task in a simple way by using a shortcut key, and you can also make a shortcut key for the particular steps. Here, that is all about macro. And
Yes,
here
sir.
we have another option, that is split. Why we use split option? The serial. If we want to just work some data, the serial, and if we want to just split this window, split this particular section, just click here and click on split. You will split the window, just see here. If we scroll here, the first column will be fixed, and similarly, if we move down, first row will be fixed. Understood? So by this option, we can
Yes,
easily
sir.
manipulate the data, and we just find out the heading for, if we just see there, if we have a long data, heading will be automatically hide. So we need to just fix the first row or first column to highlight the first row field name or first column field name. Okay, so by this option we can just fix the column or fix the row, and we can just move from the serial. Here is the fix the cell or fix the row, and just we can move in this particular split cell. The first row will be fixed here, and we can just get the number 22 and we type here properly without any mistake. Okay. Similarly, if you want to just
Yes,
remove
sir.
it, just click on the split here and it will automatically remove. And we can do the same process with the freeze span. When you click on freeze span, there is three options available there. Firstly, just freeze span, freeze span. For example, if you want to just freeze the top row, just click on this. It will do the same process. So see there, the first row will not move from their position, and it is not shifting from one position to another, but all the data moving downward direction or upward direction. Understood? And
Yes,
similarly, if
sir.
you want to just remove this particular option, just click on unfreeze pan. Unfreeze pan. Understood? And similarly, if you
Yes,
want
sir.
to freeze this pan, just click here and click on freeze pan. It will freeze the particular cell, and when you move here, these freeze pan will not move and other data will move. Okay. So this is the alternative of this particular option. Either you fix the particular row or column after selection, and you can also fix the top row. And if you want to remove here, just click on unfreeze. And if you want to just fix the first column, just click on here. And this is the will freeze first column. It will fix the first column. It will not move when we move from left to right direction. Understood? So it is the
Yes,
facility
sir.
which help us to enter the data in proper way without any mistake if we have a long data entry. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So that is all about freeze, unfreeze, and you can use all these options. It will fix the row, it will fix the column, and it will fix the selected pan. Just see here. Here we select this pan, it will fix. Just click on freeze. It will freeze this section. Just see there. It will not move. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Click on this, and here we use unfreeze. It will unfreeze the data. And why we use hide option? Just click here. Just see here. Here's the hide option. When you click on hide option, it will hide the sheet or hide the workbook. If we want to just unhide the workbook, just click here and click on OK. So for example, if we work with a two Excel file, we work with a two file of Excel on the same software or same window, we can hide any window. You see there, if we take another window like this, click on new, and if we take a new, there are two windows available there. If we hide one and other will show. Understood? Is it visible or not?
Yes, sir. It's visible.
Okay. So just see here, and if you want to just hide here, just click on this, and here's the option book 3 is hide it. That's why just click here and you click on OK, it will unhide. Okay. So this is the option by which we can hide or unhide the data. And if you want to just switch from the previous window, here we have option that is switch window. Just click here, and if we here we have two workbook, just click on first book. Because we have worked on this particular sheet, just click here. You will get the previous sheet. Understood?
Yes,
So
sir.
this is the switch window, it is the macro, and here's the split, and here is the hide, and it is on hide, freeze. And if you want to arrange all the windows, just click on here. And if you want to just set the position of the window, if you want to just arrange more than one workbook in which sequence, in the tiled form, horizontal form, vertical form, here we set up vertical form. Just click on vertical and click on OK. You will get the two window on a single platform, two workbook on a single platform like this. Okay. If you want to just arrange
So,
another format, just click on this. Arrange all. If you want cascade, so there are different types of arrangement you can choose here. Just see there, it is like this. That is cascading style. And if you want to just another one, just click on here, and here we use horizontal and click on OK. It will show like this. And if we do with another one that is tiled, it will show like this. So there are different modification for the window adjustment. Understood? So
yes, sir.
that is all about arrange all. If you want to just same content on a new window, just click on new window. You will get the same content on the next window. Just see there. We have two window like this and with the same data. We just close it because the see there, here's the ratio 1:1 and here's the 1:2. So we just close here. These types of facility we can take by using this window option. It is not for the Excel, it is only for the window formation, for the window adjustment, or for the window manipulation. Understood? If we work,
Yes, sir.
if we work more than two Excel file, if we work with two workbook, then we use these types of options. Otherwise, we don't need to use this option. And next one is there is a zoom option. If you want to just use this particular section as a zoom in, just click on here, zoom to selection. It will zoom out this particular selection for the work. And if you want to click on 100, it will show the 100%. And here's the zoom. You can choose any percentage for your view. Understood? And we can directly use by holding
Yes,
control,
sir.
maximize it and minimize it. So these are the options by which we use these types of effects. And next one, there is a formula. Why we use this particular show option? Just see there. Here's a formula bar. This is the formula bar. If we want to just hide this formula bar, just click on this and just uncheck this box. The formula bar will disappear. When we click check here, it will appear. Okay. So if we have some use with this, just open it. Otherwise, just close it by using the checkbox. Similarly, if we don't want the headings of this ABCD, just remove it by using this. Understood? All the content ABCD and 1 to
Yes,
3
sir.
we remove by using headings. So if you want heading, just click here. Otherwise, you don't, just remove it. And if you don't want the grid line, just remove it. You will remove the grid line like this. It will show like a plain sheet. Okay. So these are the options by which we just manipulate our data, and here are the different types of views available there. There are 4 types of view available there. First one is a normal. Why we use normal? Because in this view, we can get the whole sheet in a normal format and each and every cell we can observe here. And second one is the page break view. It will always show the working area. If you work with this particular area, it will show only that area. Okay, so it is only show the working area, not the blank area or not work area. Understood? Third one is the
Yes,
page
sir.
layout. Why we use page layout? Just click here and we use page layout. It will show like a page. Just see there. In this particular view, we will get, just see there. If we type here some content, it will activate it. If we type here, it will also activate it. But here is another option, that is ruler. If you want to just use the ruler, this is the option ruler. So this particular option available on the page layout view, not on the other normal and page break view. So we have to use page layout for the ruler. You can easily just handle the scale on this view, and it will show just like a MS Word file page, MS Word page. In this particular format, you can easily handle the page wise data. Understood? So this is the facility
Yes, sir.
as a page layout. Next one, custom view. Why we use custom view? Just click on custom view. If you want to just save some custom view, just see here. Firstly, just click on normal view, and here we set this particular content, this particular section, and just type here some content. And here we want to just save some custom view. Just click here and just type here add, and just type the name. Just hello, and click on OK. Okay, so whenever we need this particular sheet or this particular area, we want to just move here, just click on custom view and just select it and click on show. It will show that area as we mark that area. Okay, so this is the custom show. We can
Yes,
fix the
sir.
particular area for the work, and we just move on that particular area by following the custom view. That is the custom view we can move by using show. Okay. So this is the if you have a long data and if you want to just set the particular section for the view, we can go with the custom view and we just name the particular section for the custom view, and we can move one section to another section by using custom view as we named here. We select here and click on show. We will move on that particular place. Clear? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Any query?
No,
So
sir.
this is all about the menu, view menu, and today we'll learn the last option, that is review. When you click on review, here we have an option that is protect sheet. Have you studied this?
Yes, sir. We studied this in PowerPoint and Word.
No. In this is that is different, something different. Just click on worksheet, and here's a workbook. So we just use these two options today. When you click on protect sheet and just type the password like this 123. And again, just click on OK and just press the same password. It will restrict the editing. Okay, so see there, we can't do any work in this particular sheet because it is protected sheet. Okay, we can do the work on the another sheet. Just see there, we can do here anything as you type. We can do work on this particular sheet. Understood? And if you want to just
Yes,
unprotect
sir.
here, just click on sheet 1 and just click on here unpack sheet and just type the password 123. And we can able to do any work like this. Clear? Next one is the product workbook.
Yes,
I
sir.
will use product workbook. Product workbook restricted the just see there. Right click here. We can use these options if the production workbook is not activated. When we activate this particular production, we don't able to do these types of process. Just see there. Here we choose different color for box. Just see there. Here is a red color. Just click on this. We choose another tab color. Okay. And we want to just restrict these types of changes. We don't want to use another sheet or these options to work. We want to just block this by using this protect workbook and just type the password 123 and again type the 123. So see there, all the options in this particular section will be blocked here. You can't able to insert after the activation of product workbook. You can't able to insert new sheet, delete sheet, rename sheet, move or copy. Okay. And here's a tab color. You can't able to change color, hide or unhide the particular content. So it will restrict the sheet. We can able to do work, but we can't delete the particular sheet and we can't able to insert any sheet. The see there, we use here shortcut key shift plus F11. There is no insertion of any sheet. Why? Because it is workbook protected. Just click here and again just type your password 123. It will normalize these options. See there, we can use all the options. Just click on insert. You will get the new worksheet like this. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt? Just do
No,
this
sir.
process. Just do all the process. If you have any doubt, just ask me.